be showing you guys how to make my delicious battered pickled gherkins. Let's get into it. First of all, I'm going to start off by slicing my pickled gherkins in half. Now that's done, I'm going to dry them with the paper towel and prepare my batter. Now with the batter, I'm going to add 1 cup of flour, a tablespoon of hot sauce, a teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, salt and black pepper, and 250 ml of your own preferred plant-based milk. Now I'm going to whisk it all up. Now it's time for the fun part, to dip, breadcrumbs and then place. Now repeat, dip, breadcrumbs and then place. Dip, breadcrumbs and then place. Now that's done, you're going to add it into your preheated oven on 180 Celsius for 20 to 30 minutes. See you after it's done. Now it's finished in the oven and it has cooled down, it's time to taste. Now that is delicious. Thank you for watching, hope you enjoyed and see you next time.